We're here at ABR Industries at Dayton Hamvention. Chuck is going to tell us about something special they got coming up. So take it away, Chuck.
So thank you again. And what we're doing is we've been doing the different colored sheets now for a couple of years. But what we're going to do is, in a lot of cases, you've got different antennas, different radios out in the field. So what we're going to be doing is kind of a feed-through piece with an FME connector, and then we're going to offer a wide variety of the adapter options. So this way you can customize your cable any way you want by fitting it into place. And a quick example is it comes out and it looks like one seamless connector when it's done, but you can put it with a BNC male or female. You can do it with N-types, you can do it with the mini UHFs, whatever connector that you need. We'll have a builder on the system for it, so you can build the cable to whatever specific length, color, putting ferrites on there, whatever you see fit. We're also going to be doing a holiday promo, so we're going to be doing something festive for the 4th of July with a red, white, and blue color. That'll be one of the featured items on there as well. And then we're also focusing on this for this size, as well as jumper kits. That'll have different types of pieces on there, the 3-footers, 6-footers of this material, which is the 240, and then of course the smaller material, which is the 316 kits are also online. And these are on today. So it comes with a starter kit with everything that you need to get going. So that's what's new here at the show. One last other common piece is I always love to talk about the toroids themselves. This is a standardized product. It is now fixed on the site. We're offering it with 2 different cable options.
You don't have to go through the Coax builder anymore?
You don't have to go through the builder.
It's just
easy peasy. It's a part. It can be done PL to PL, PL to SO, SO to SO, but it's a standardized item. It's done with the 223, and the reason why is it wraps a little bit better, but also the silver properties hold up a little bit better. So if you're having key-up issues where you're affecting other pieces of equipment, this product will help get rid of that noise that you're creating in the environment.
Nice.
So a little bit of a flip side from using the current type, which is always that staple that you're used to. But definitely a little bit of a change. So if you got an amplifier or the radio's a little bit older and noisier, this will be a great solution for you too.
Awesome.
So that's what's new here for us here at the show.
Cool.
So
Thanks so much.
thank you.